For this portion of the occupational portfolio, we are going to be conducting a slums examination, and this is going to test for cognitive function as well as spatial awareness and memory and recall. So I have my patient here. Can you tell me your name?
Alice Kingsley,
Okay. And your age?
23.
And what's your highest level of education?
I have a bachelor's degree.
Okay. And now I want to ask figure out how the patient is alert, and by doing that I'm going to go through orientation by using the AO times 4. So I'm going to ask her 4 different questions that are related to this. So she already told me who she was, so she knew that. Can you tell me where you are?
I'm in your office.
Okay. Can you tell me what day it is?
It is Sunday, November 8th, 2020.
Good. And can you tell me approximately what time it is?
And it's about 8 o'clock.
Okay. And can you tell me what happened to bring you into the office today?
Yeah, I fell off my bike and got a concussion.
Okay. So if she was able to answer all of those, then she would get a point for each. Okay, and then now we're going to start with the rest of the examination. What day of the week is it?
Sunday.
Sunday. What is the year?
2020,
What state are we in?
Pennsylvania.
Okay. Please remember these 5 objects. I will ask you what they are later. Apple, pen, tie, house, car. Okay. You have $100 and you go to the store and buy a dozen apples for $3 and a tricycle for $20. How much did you spend?
$23.
And how much do you have left?
$77.
Okay. Please name as many animals as you can in 1 minute. I'll tell you when to start. Ready? Go.
Fish, shark, starfish, dolphin, seal, sea otter, dog, cat, hamster, guinea pig, bunny, chipmunk, squirrel, horse, cow, goat, sheep, moose, bison, pelican, parrot, seagull.
Good, you can stop. What were the 5 objects I asked you to remember?
Car, pen, apple, tie, house.
I'm going to give you a series of numbers, and I would like you to give them to me backwards. For example, if I say 42, you would say 24. First one is 87,
78,
648,
846,
8,537.
7,358.
This is a clock face. Please put in the hour markers and the time at 10 minutes to 11 o'clock. Please place an X in the triangle. Okay. And which of the above figures is largest?
The square.
Okay. I'm going to tell you a story. Please listen carefully because afterwards I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Jill was a very successful stockbroker. She made a lot of money on the stock market. She then met Jack, a devastatingly handsome man. She married him and had 3 children. They lived in Chicago. She then stopped work and stayed at home to bring up her children. When they were teenagers, she went back to work. She and Jack lived happily ever after. What was the female's name?
Jill.
Okay. When did she go back to work?
When her kids were teenagers.
What work did she do?
She was a stockbroker.
And what state did she live in?
Illinois.
Okay. So my patient got a total score of 30. And for the results section, we have 2 different ways of scoring it. One is if they have at least a high school education. And for this one, if they got a score of 27 to 30, that would be considered normal. 21 to 26 would be indicative of a mild neurological disorder, and 1 to 20 could indicate dementia. If they had less than a high school education, normal would be 25 to 30. A mild neurological disorder would be 20 to 24, and dementia would be 1 to 19.